In a serene corner of ancient India, a garrulous parrot named Meetu lived among the trees. He loved to chat and gossip with the other birds and animals, always eager to share the latest news and stories. Though Meetu enjoyed his chatty nature, he often found himself feeling restless and overwhelmed by the constant noise. One day, as Meetu flew near the banks of the river, he noticed a silent sage sitting under a tree, deep in meditation. Intrigued by the sage's tranquility, Meetu approached him and asked, "Wise one, I see you sitting here in silence while the world around you buzzes with activity. What is the secret to your inner peace?" The sage opened his eyes and smiled at the curious parrot. He replied, "Dear Meetu, the secret to inner peace lies in finding a balance between speaking and listening. Silence can teach us many valuable lessons if we are willing to embrace it." Meetu found it difficult to comprehend the sage's words, so the sage proposed a challenge. "Meetu, if you can remain silent for an entire day, you will begin to understand the power of silence and the peace it can bring." Meetu accepted the challenge, determined to discover the serenity the sage spoke of. He perched on a branch and began his day of silence. As the hours passed, Meetu found himself becoming more aware of his surroundings. He heard the gentle rustling of leaves, the soothing flow of the river, and the harmonious songs of his fellow birds. No longer preoccupied with chatter, Meetu found a sense of calm he had never experienced before. He also realized that by being silent, he was able to better understand the thoughts and feelings of the other animals. Meetu discovered that silence allowed him to connect with the world around him in a more profound way. As the sun set, the sage approached Meetu and asked, "How did you find your day of silence, dear parrot?" Meetu, now enlightened by his experience, replied with gratitude, "Wise sage, thank you for showing me the beauty and wisdom that can be found in silence. Today, I learned that sometimes, the most powerful words are the ones left unspoken." The moral of the story: silence can offer valuable insights and a deeper connection to the world around us. Sometimes, the most meaningful communication happens when we choose to listen rather than speak.